Every day, underwriters receive more submissions than they can realistically evaluate. Information arrives through countless emails, PDFs, spreadsheets, and broker conversations, and most submissions received are not complete. Valuable time is spent researching applicants, chasing missing information, and deciding what deserves attention first. That's where Indico completely changes the experience. Indico transforms fragmented submissions into organized, enriched underwriting work, helping teams focus on the risks they actually want to write. Let's see what that looks like. Instead of searching through emails and attachments, every submission arrives in a single underwriting workspace. Automatically, the submission inbox is organized by AI. Underwriters can sort by submission type, whether it's new business, renewal, or a midterm adjustment, or they can also prioritize work using appetite score, instantly identifying which submissions are the best fit for their portfolio and which can safely wait. Rather than treating every submission equally, teams can focus their attention where it creates the greatest business value. Already, we've eliminated the first bottleneck, which is finding the right work. Selecting a submission opens a complete view of the account. One of the first things an underwriter wants to know is whether the submission is in good order and ready to move forward. This one needs attention. Indico automatically validates every submission and clearly identifies whether it's in good order or if information is still needed before underwriting can begin. If anything is missing, the platform will draft a broker-ready email requesting exactly what's needed. The underwriter can review, edit the email if desired, and send it in just a few clicks. As responses and additional documents arrive, they're automatically linked in the submission, creating a complete record of every interaction in one place. Instead of chasing information across emails and shared folders, underwriters can quickly get submissions into good order and move on to evaluating the risk. As we've seen, insurance submissions rarely consist of a single document and rarely arrive all at once. There are applications, loss runs, schedule of value, emails, broker responses. Instead of searching Outlook or shared folders, every document and every piece of correspondence is automatically captured alongside the submission. The complete history is available and everyone sees the same information. This means nothing gets lost and the underwriting process stays moving. Once all correspondence has been received, the underwriter needs to understand the risk, not spend hours researching it and filling in the gaps. Indico's research agent automatically gathers external information about the insured, such as property details, business information, risk characteristics, and can even add additional context from trusted enrichment providers. The platform then presents those data points directly inside the submission. The advisor agent takes this one step further. Rather than simply presenting the data, the advisor agent analyzes everything that's been collected and highlights potential concerns, key strengths, important observations, and areas that may warrant a closer look, helping underwriters evaluate submissions faster and with greater confidence. Instead of asking underwriters to search for information, Indico brings the information and the context to them. Once the submission is complete, Indico ensures it keeps moving. Using configurable business rules, the work is automatically assigned and routed to the appropriate underwriting team, or it can be assigned directly to a specific underwriter based on workload, expertise, or line of business. Instead of manually triaging work or wondering who owns the next step, every submission reaches the right person at the right time, keeping the underwriting process moving without unnecessary delays. Underwriters shouldn't spend their day organizing submissions, manually entering data, researching applicants, or tracking down missing information. They should spend their time making underwriting decisions. That's exactly what Indico enables. By organizing intake, validating submissions, enriching risk data, orchestrating workflows, and keeping every interaction in one place, Indico helps insurers keep underwriting work in motion, from first submission to quote.